Hello, YouTube. Model car guy here. And I'm a little sore, or hoarse, or however you say it. So ignore that. But I'm gonna do this 1978 Dodge D100 unboxing. This is the next model I'm gonna do. And let's look at the box real quick. This D100 comes with a mini bike. Sorry about the light, guys. See, toolbox and jack. Long bed with a flip down tailgate. Detailed engine, Chrysler engines. Jack and toolbox, stock wheels, flashers and lights, and then mini bike. Alright, let's open her up. Alright, so we got the windshield here, left it in the package so that it don't get scratched wherever. Tail lights. What we got here? Okay, let's look at this. We got our cab. Got our bed. Got our bed here. Dang, that's warped. I hope that don't mess up anything when I go to build this. Got our frame. What else we got in here? So you got tailgate pieces. I think that's a grill piece or something. And here's our dash. Alright, let's see, we got a very nice detailed interior. Buckle seats, stuff. There's our pedals, so I say this truck is a standard. And we got a few parts here, CB. I think Antenna, I'm not sure what some of these other parts are. Here's our jack. And a few parts, I'm not sure what they are. We got our, I think, stock rims. Here's our mini bike. I'll be doing this like a red. Then I'll probably show me doing detail stuff and putting it together. I might do a separate video on it. I'm not sure yet. Got 4 tires and 2 metal axles, so I might roll if the glue don't get to the axles. I like my models to roll that are able to, just to make it different. There's a Chrysler engine and parts and stuff. A few frame parts and stuff. Here's our steering wheel. Probably a few other frame parts, spare tire. There's our toolbox, battery, firewall, exhaust system, radiator wall. We got our hood, and then our backs to our tires, and oh gosh, look at all this. Yeah. Then we got some chrome mirrors. We got a bunch of like carburetors, valve covers. Here's the rims I'm gonna go with, which kind of came from the Little Red Express. There's a grill, some shifters, more mirror stuff, bumpers. Ooh, what do we got in here? Here's our hubcaps for the stock wheels. I wonder why they're wrapped in a package for. I guess to prevent them from scratching. There's our decals. Probably won't be using much. And there's our directions that if I can get open. 78 Dodge D100, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's put tires together. Alright, put the engine together. Frame together. We got a massive drive shaft. Let's see, radiator stuff. Again, got put interior together, stuff to the cab. All one-piece windshield. That's nice. Putting stuff in. Yeah, right there's probably that piece that goes under the grill. And then we got mirror options and stuff. Yeah, let a gas cap and do all this. There's a few tools too. And then that's how you put the Mini back together. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this helps out anybody that likes or this model stuff, or helps them get an idea what to do if they're getting ready to do this kit. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and see you guys in the next video. And I'll be doing this like in the French blue, and the video of the build probably be out by like the weekend, possibly Sunday, Monday. It all depends when I start this. So see you guys later. Bye.